Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Ethan. In today's video we have a product sent to me by Gamesir. This is the Gamesir mobile gaming touch controller, the G6. You could get this on Amazon for $35.99 and there is a 20% discount going on right now, so I encourage you to buy that. This is a non-biased review. This is just a honest review of this product, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. This device is compatible with iOS and Android. It is compatible with Android 8.0 and higher and iPhone 9, iOS 9 and higher. So taking a look at the box, we have the contents and we also have another manual. I like the nice black in here. Looks pretty cool. Just a minor touch. Alright, here we have a nice little, what is this, a thank you card? A dear customer. Go and read that. Alright, we also have the product itself. It's in a nice plastic container. To get it out, we just gotta pull this. There we go. Alright, we have a certificate. That's nice. And then we have a little user manual guide. So this is a fairly new product. It was made in 2019. So that's really nice. Cool design right here. We have some pretty good texture. The buttons are on the left, A, B, X, and Y, and then we have Z, which is a pause button, and C, which is select. So here we have the analog stick. It's pretty rubbery. It has some texture. We have L1, L2, and R1. No L1. But that's okay. In the back I can feel the texture and the grip. Right here it is Bluetooth 5.0. It has a 200 milliamp rechargeable battery. And it's made out of plastic, and right here in the middle is made out of metal, so it's more durable in the middle. So that's really nice. It can go out pretty far. So we're gonna get a device right now to show you what it looks like. This is a cracked device, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna show you. So that's what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. Be gaming on this. You can customize and remap these buttons to whichever game you're playing. So if you want this to be like a aiming button, this to be a shooting, or no, this is switching slots. This is aiming. This is shooting. You could do that. If you were to play Fortnite, you could choose all those in Fortnite mapping, and then this is just works as a normal controller. It's kind of different that it's on the left side rather than the right side. I'm more used to it on the right side, the A, B, X, and Y, but that's okay. And then you just move and then look around right here. And you could jump and press all that. It has Bluetooth 5.0, it has no lag. I've played Fortnite, I played PUBG, I played Minecraft, I played, what else have I played? I played Mortal Kombat on this. It's really good. No lag. It literally feels like a regular Xbox controller. Would I rather have an Xbox controller than this? No, because then I'm gonna have to carry like an Xbox controller and my phone. And it works with cases on. I have a really bulky case on my Google Pixel 3, and it fits perfectly. So yeah, it comes with the micro USB cable to charge. It's branded by Gamesir, that's nice. And yeah, so it's right here. You press and hold this button, and it turns on. It's probably going to turn on to my phone right now. That's why it is red, so it's connected. Red and blue means it's connected. If the red was flashing, it means it would be in pairing mode. Just turn that off. Just press and hold again. We're going to go ahead and show you what it looks like at charging, and that's the micro USB port. So we're gonna go and show you what it looks like when it's charging. Alright, so we have a micro USB cable right here. It is plugged in. Alright, so it just changes red, as you can see. So that's nice. Like I said, it has a 400 milliamp power bank, lithium ion battery, sorry. I don't know how long that will last. I probably assume 3 hours or less, maybe. I don't know if this is in the box. I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything. But yeah, you can get this on Amazon right now. It has free 2-day shipping, I believe. It came pretty quick. Yeah, it's really small and compact. You can carry this no problem. It is probably smaller. Yeah, it's smaller than, probably same size as my phone. This other phone right here. I don't use this phone anymore, but it's about the same size as that one. For other comparisons, I don't know what to compare it to, but anyway, thank you for watching. I really like this product, guys. I'm going to be doing some gameplay of it soon, but yeah, as you can see, gaming is winning. That's pretty true, and this is going to be a pretty good advantage, especially for Fortnite and any other game you have on mobile. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.